Hello everyone and welcome back to Termujaf channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to find the minimum value of a mathematical function within a specified interval using engineering equation solver or EES. Our problem is to find the minimum value of this following function in the interval from 1 to 7. The function is y is equal to x cubed minus 9x squared plus 20x minus 5. Instead of solving the problem manually, we will use EES to determine the minimum value directly. So first of all, we need to go to this equation window and write it down, this equation. So we can start. Y is equal to x cubed. So we'll use this symbol. So before that, I will go to the options, go to preference, and then increase the font size to 24 and press on OK. So you can see a much bigger this size of this font actually. So it is y is equal to x cubed, then minus 9. We need to use this multiplication symbol here, and then x squared 2, then plus 20 multiplied by x minus 5. So now we have our equations here, and then we can go to this formatted equation and see how it looks like. So y is equal x cubed minus 9x squared plus 20x minus 5. Then we need to determine this interval. To do so, we can go to this variable information field. As a default, the lower and upper value is between minus infinity and the plus infinity, as you can see, and we have one guess here. So this interval is 1 to 7, and then this is for the our independent variable, it's x, and we can simply click and write 1 and change this one to 7. This is the first guess. You can keep it as it is or change to the value between these two, minimum and maximum. So I will keep it as it is, and there are also some options here like to this display. So this is A. It means that the EES software will automatically change the display format of the values here. There are different options. You can use exponential, engineering, fixed, and the other options, but I will keep this as a default. And by changing this lower and upper value for x, I will press on OK and close this one. Then to find the minimum or maximum value, you can just simply go to the calculate, then use the minimum and maximum. Then we need to actually determine here, we are going to minimize the y value, and our independent variable is x. Here you can determine the bounds. This is what we actually determined before, 1 to 7, and this is our first guess. So you don't need to do anything here. But there are two options in the method: golden section search or quadratic approximation. Actually, the quadratic approximation method is usually faster, but the golden section method is more reliable. So we will change this one to the golden section search. And if you are going to know more about this method, you can just simply go to the help and then search for the min or maximum or this golden section search. So I will keep this as it is and then keep the other values as the default and then simply press on the OK. So as you can see, you have the value for x, and the best value is 4.528. And as you can see in the result tab, you will see the minimization of y is the value is minus 6.128 in this actually interval 1 to 7. The x value is 4.528. So by having this x, we will reach to this minimum value for this function. So simply you can reach out to minimum or maximum value for an equation like with this method. So that's it for this tutorial, and thanks for watching.